Hi guys, let's look at the last question of this exercise, question 10. In a school, 100 pupils have heights as tabulated below. So I have already made the table. Find the median height by drawing an ogive. So to draw an ogive, first thing I need is the cumulative frequency. Let me take a slightly sharper pen and black in color. So first I'll calculate cumulative frequency. 12 plus 16, 28, 28 plus 30 is 58, that's 78, that's 92 and 100. Perfect. Summation F is any case is given to be 100. But to draw an ogive, I hope you remember that we need a continuous data. In this case, this is not continuous because the upper limit of this one is 130 and the lower limit of the next one is 131. So we need the adjustment factor because to draw an ogive we need continuous data. So 131 minus 130 upon 2, which is 0.5. So I'll subtract 0.5 from the lower limit and add it to the upper limit. So 120.5 to 130.5. The next is 130.5 to 140.5. Next is 140.5 to 150.5. This is 150.5 to 160.5, 160.5 to 170.5, 170.5 to 180.5. Next, what do I need to plot? The first one is from the x-axis, so 120.5, 0. This is 130.5 with 12, 140.5 with 28, 150.5 with 58, 160.5 with 78, 170.5 with 92 and 180.5 with 100. Perfect. So my median will be the n by 2th term, in this case 100 by 2th term, which is the 50th term. So let's look at which is my 50th term. To draw that, first I'll need to calculate, first I'll need to draw. So let this be 0. On the x-axis I need to go from 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I can take a gap of 10. Let me start with a kink, and the first one is 120.5. The next one will be 130.5. The next is 140.5. This is 150.5. Next is 160.5. This is 170.5. And then the last one that I need is 180.5. This is extending here. This is my x-axis. On the y-axis, I need to go from 0 to 100. So let's take the 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. This is my y-axis. What am I plotting on the y-axis? I am plotting cumulative frequency, and which is number of student. And on the y-axis, x-axis, I am plotting height in centimeter, going in, increasing in this size. Perfect. First one is 120.5 with 0, which is here. The next is 130.5 with 12. So that's 2 units, 2 small lines above 10. Next is 28, which is 8 small lines above 20. Next is 58, which is 8 small lines above 50. Next is 78, which is 8 small lines above 170. Then is 92, which is 2 small lines above 90. And then the last one is 100. Perfect. So let me draw this. Let me join them and make an ogive. This is done using a free hand. Don't use a scale for this. Done. Let's write the scale. Scale is on x-axis 2 centimeter is equal to 10 units, and this is 10 centimeter in height. On y-axis, I have 2 centimeter is equal to 10 students. Perfect. Now I need to find the median, which will be my 50th term. So from 50th term, I draw a perpendicular. I repeat, I do not have an access to scale in this software. So I'm using freehand. You will definitely use a scale. Using freehand is not allowed. I repeat, you will use a scale. So I am using a perfect. So this is where I reach. I started from the y-axis and I reached the x-axis. So this is 140.5 and this is 150.5. 10 small lines, which means each is 1. So this is the 8th line, which means this is 148.5. So this is basically my median, which is equal to 148.5 centimeter. Perfect. So this is my median. Thank you so much. The homework questions for you for this exercise are as follows. Homework will be question number 3, question number 5, and question number 8. I can't say this more often. You are likely to get a question from this exercise for sure. So you should revise this definitely. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.